Your entire kitchen is going to smell like Italy. What up, guys? My name is Kevin Curry, the founder of Fit Man Cook, and today in the Tasty Kitchen, we are whipping up a delicious, creamy Mediterranean chicken and tomato dish that's also keto-friendly. You are going to love it. First thing we're gonna do is season up the chicken thighs. Even though this recipe is gonna be swimming in creamy sauce, you still wanna add a little bit of sea salt and pepper to the thighs. After that, we're gonna sear them in the pan for about 3 to 4 minutes. Get a nice, deep, rich sear in there, and it also helps to flavor the oil in the pan. What I also want people to know is just how easy it is to customize these recipes. You can swap out the chicken thighs for some chicken breast, or maybe even some shrimp. You can swap out the heavy cream for some light coconut milk. You can swap out the cauliflower rice with some orzo or some brown rice. And here is my favorite step: blooming the herbs. So we're gonna toss in some garlic and some aromatic herbs. So after the spices have been blooming for about 2 to 3 minutes and it's super fragrant, then we're gonna reduce the heat just a little bit and pour in some chicken stock. We're gonna reduce this down, and then here is the banger. Add in some sun-dried tomatoes, and ooh-wee! I'm telling you, the flavors begin to come together. After that, we're gonna add in some heavy cream. Gently stir it and really monitor the heat here. When you have the heat too high, then first off, you're gonna evaporate all of the creamy goodness, and when it's too low, it's not going to meld together properly. This dish, you can get in and out of the kitchen in less than 30 minutes. It complements so many different eating styles. I got started because I was trying to save my own diet, and then I knew that I had to take my health into my own hands. And so I went and I just began to read every single book they had about nutrition, and then I taught myself how to get into the kitchen to cook myself up something calorie conscious. And I was able to transform my entire life by cooking healthy food. Once it simmers for about 1 to 2 minutes, then add in the goodness. Yes, I'm talking about cheese, because everybody loves cheese. You're gonna continue stirring until you don't see any more visible pieces of grated Parmesan, and then we're gonna nestle the chicken thighs back into the creamy sauce. Then take a spoon and drizzle some of the sauce on top of the chicken thighs, and then add that entire skillet to the oven to bake for 15 minutes. And after 15 minutes, take it out of the oven and then finish it off with some fresh parsley. So we're gonna steam up some cauliflower rice and then put those chicken thighs right on top along with that creamy sauce, and enjoy this goodness.
Oh, yes!